In this video, you will learn how to connect Webflow to Godaddy domain. Open Webflow project settings. Log into Webflow, open your project and go to the hosting tab. Add your custom domain, enter your Godaddy domain, then click add. Copy the Webflow DNS records. Webflow will show a record and to use, copy this exactly. Log into your Godaddy account, go to Godaddy and click on My Products, then open your DNS management for your domain. Update your DNS settings. Delete an existing record if you need to, then add Webflow's record and the C name provided. Publish your site in Webflow. Go back to Webflow, set your custom domain as default, then click Publish to make sure your site is live. Now you know the easiest way to connect Godaddy to Webflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.